Okay, guys, let's do a quick recap. Happy Halloween to everyone and everyone who has kids, because it used to be my favorite holiday. Still is. Get to give out candy and also try to follow my little one around, but you know how they get. All right. First trade of the day was between 7 and 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This trade went close to 100 pennies, and it was good for really 50 to 70 pennies in reality. To sit there and try to hold this thing for an entire 100 pennies is a little bit of an oversight. So this is good for about 50 to 70 pennies. A lot of us got off to a great start with our first trade of the day. This is called an RS. It's a trade, of course, you learn if you learn the methodology and you want to go that route. More to follow. Second trade of the day was what we call our power play. We had a power play a little bit after 9 o'clock. And you're probably looking and going, well, gee, why couldn't you take it here? Why couldn't you take it here? Because you had to take it here. This is the place you had to take it. Again, you learn why. You learn the why, the who, the what, the when, and the where, and who's doing what. We had a very nice add-on right before the opening, I think about 9:27, if I'm correct. And at that point, I'll just give you a little flavor here. What happened basically at that point is they took out all of this over here. So the retailers had to get whacked, and they had to get stopped out because they're all selling. All the retailers are selling and selling and selling and selling and selling. So what do? Well, you learn if everything's correct. You go along and we take out the retailers by at least 20 to 30 pennies. Well, we added another half or full position here at 9:27, and they took out the retailers to the tune of about another 60 pennies. So this trade went about 100 pennies, and it was very, very nice. That ended my day. Were there other trades? Yes. Did I take any other trades? No. Did I close my dome down? Yes. Was I happy? Absolutely. This is so simple to understand once you learn it and you know it. But once you learn it and you know it, then you apply it. But when you don't know it and you can't apply it, trading can become very, very difficult. So everything we do and every trade we take, there must be an absolute objective reason why we're taking the trade. It can't be, well, I'm bored. It has to be purely objective, based on the methodology that I developed a long time ago. I don't want to keep you guys too long, except to say this week, again, a beautiful week, a beautiful day. Happy Halloween, everybody. Go out there in costume. Hopefully you've had a couple Halloween parties this week. Hopefully you're living life. I'm not going to say you're living the dream because that's a silly statement. But hopefully you're having the type of lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. And that has absolutely nothing to do with money, but it has to do with raising your kids, being there for your kids' events, maybe coaching your kids, doing what you want when you want to do it. That's what this business is supposed to allow you to do. Not come home at 6 o'clock and have to get ready to eat dinner and then go ahead and go to bed. This should be a business of leisure after you're finished. And when I say finished, by the time noon comes around, you're done. If you're not done, there's something wrong. I'm going to leave you with that. Once again, everybody, happy Halloween. My little one's going to be rolling in about 15 minutes. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to have fun. Everybody take care, and I'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Thanks, guys.